and welcome back to Get Fit by 50. I'm Mark Lee. Here's another episode of Fatty Flips Again. You know, I had to lose over 60 pounds to fit back on roller coasters again, and I've done it. But my goal is to lose 100 pounds or more before I turn 50 years old on February 26, 2021. I'm over 63% there right now in 23 weeks, so I'm way ahead of schedule. I'm not even to the 50% of the year mark yet. It's close, but I'll probably be 70 pounds or something by then, which will be great. But please watch my weekly weight loss results videos. So, I need all the support I can get. So please hit the like button on this video and click that subscribe button to be notified of new videos. And please follow me on all the social media links in the description below. All right, so let's go on some thrill rides at Busch Gardens, Tampa, Florida. All right, so in this episode, we're gonna go on Falcon's Fury, which is not specifically a roller coaster, but just a crazy thrill ride that goes up 335 feet in the air, points you straight down, and slams you to the ground. So let's go on Falcon's Fury.
Middle. I don't want to sit in the middle. That don't matter, does it? We're safe.
All loose articles are not permitted on Falcon's Fury.
Ugh.
Loose articles are provided in Hold the shoulder harness down to your waist and secure your seatbelt.
Of course, I can't see this.
Arms facing forward until your harness has been checked by the attendant. Keep your head back against the head.
I can't make it longer. I can't see it. I should have checked it first.
Get ready to
I was
experience.
gonna say, so this is gonna be a good experience.
Alright, and then do your glasses have straps in the back?
Yeah, man, they're not going anywhere. Thanks. Thanks for checking. Alright, so we strapped in Falcon's Fury with no issues.
Una vez sentado bajo las barras hasta la cintura, el conector cinturón de seguridad. Por favor, mantenga los brazos con las palmas abiertas.
It was like a 3-minute wait.
It's gonna go on YouTube.
Yeah,
Thank you.
it's gonna go on YouTube, my YouTube channel.
What's your YouTube channel? I don't want to check it out.
Get Fit by 50. I lost 60 pounds, and this is my second time to try to ride roller coasters. I went to SeaWorld the other day. I lost enough weight to fit on them again. I haven't been able to ride this ride for like 5 years. Since it's been built, I rode it one time. I was too fat to fit on it, but you just see me get on it now, so I'm stoked. So
This is the first time in like 5 years.
3 or 4, yeah, I rode, it's been open only like 4 years maybe. I don't know how long it's been open, but I rode it once.
I remember this had just been built the first time I came to this one.
Really, yeah. Maybe it's been here longer than that. I haven't been on a roller coaster for so long. I don't know how long the real time is.
The first experience I had with Busch Gardens was fine.
Have you been on the Tigris yet?
Yes, I have.
Where is it? I thought it was over here somewhere, but it's,
I can tell you what.
I don't see it yet. Is it over by Shikra?
Yeah, it's over there.
Okay, I thought it for some reason was over here, but it's not.
Yeah,
I'm gonna go on that.
it's on the other side of the park.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're here to see the guidelines. Stop in here.
She said, "Dad, you probably don't want to put your hand out because that's how I hurt my back was."
We are free places of the both are here.
Falcon's Fury.
Eye contact distance very helpful.
We're still going up. We're still going up and up and up. And they're gonna turn us, aren't they?
Yeah, they're gonna turn us like.
Oh, look at that. Straight towards the ground. Do you believe that?
Oh god, this hurts my shoulders. Here we go.
Oh, that's just hilarious.
That was definitely worth it.
That just makes you laugh every time, even though it's the second time I've been on it. I might have to just get back in line and do that one again. All right, how do you get out of this thing?
You gotta press these buttons then.
Oh, did it?
Lap belt unlocked momentarily.
Okay.
Watch your step as you exit. Retrieve any personal belongings from the boxes and follow the arrows.
Oh, there we go.
Thank you for riding Falcon.
We did it. Falcon's Fury. Now if I can get out of the seat. All right. Falcon's Fury. We are done.
Well, that was fun. Thanks for watching another episode of Get Fit by 50's Fatty Flips Again. That's me, soon to not be fatty. But be sure to check out all my other POV thrill ride videos too. So have a wonderful day. Be safe out there. Hit that subscribe button. And please, please remember to use your damn turn signals. Thanks for watching Get Fit by 50. Please subscribe to my channel and also follow us on the social links listed in the description below. And why don't you go ahead and watch another one of our videos.